My name is Michael Boy, Wolfpack Roofing, I'm the owner. The services we provide are residential and commercial roofing. We provide gutters, repairs, roof replacements. We do the metal, tile, asphalt, shingles. We're GAF factory certified, so we are a certified contractor. We offer the System Plus warranty on every single install we do. And I think that brings a lot of value to people who understand the difference between the warranty that's offered by default relative to what we can offer, and build on that program where we're putting up leak barriers around your very common areas, your penetrations, things around the edges of the roof. From a service standpoint, I think we really focus on identifying not just what's wrong today. When we're replacing the roof, we're looking for why that happened. Sometimes it might just be a 3-foot span of gutter that we do, as far as value at that job, to make sure that you've got the roof that you don't have to worry about for the next 50 years.